and welcome back to my journey where I go from an unemployed dude to financially independently. Let's get right into this episode, guys. Starting today, I'm going to really try and start getting out of this job. It's great, it's cool, but it messes my sleep schedule up for the entire week. It is so horrible. Anyway, I'm gonna post on my cat Instagram page. So if you guys are excited about seeing the progress on that video should be coming out, well, about the end of this month. So I'm gonna sit in my car for a minute first because my feet hurt too bad, and then I'm gonna head home, take a nap / sleep, wake up, and I'll catch you guys up when I wake up. Okay, so today is Monday, and starting today, Devin and I are actually gonna be doing some real wholesaling work. So I went ahead and got a list of names of people who live out of state and live over in Chanhassen, Minnesota. We're gonna advertise to them. Not too sure what that looks like exactly yet, but for today, we're just going one step at a time. I went ahead and got that list done and ready to go. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna go ahead and write up a letter. We went to one of Robyn Thompson's meetings. She is amazing, and she sends a letter with a picture of a horse and a baby horse on it, and she says to use any kind of animal. So we're gonna make a Robyn Thompson style letter, mail it to them. That's what's going on this week, and we'll see what happens with it. Let's get right into the rest of today. So I just woke up. Today I need to write the letter for wholesaling. I'm going to create some Facebook posts, and then later today I'm going door dashing. I'm doing a 7-day DoorDash challenge in my series where I'm gonna try and turn $100 into $13,000. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm not too sure when that video is actually ended up coming out, but I am gonna start working on that now. So yeah, so I'll catch you guys up whenever I'm a little bit later or when something exciting happens. I just finished up the letter and I finished up the Facebook post. So now I'm going to feed Ollie really quickly, and then I'm headed out to go do some DoorDash. So if you guys are excited about all that, hit like, and I will catch you guys up on a little bit later. Okay, so I just finished my dash for today. If you guys want to see how much I made, go check out that video of my 7-day dashing challenge, whatever I'm going to call it, the door dashing challenge. I did pretty good. Nothing to write home about, nothing too exciting, but now I got to go home, finish up the letter I'm gonna send out for wholesaling, and then I want to go ahead and start working on the rest of this week's REIA work, so I don't have to worry about it at all. And I would love to get some REIA Rich done. Hopefully I can get to that. But also today, Devin and I are gonna clean out the basement and hopefully get the washer and dryer fixed finally. I think it's been since June's like 1st-ish since we haven't had a washer and dryer. So, I mean, I wasted maybe even $100 at a laundromat when I could have not. So, yeah, I'm gonna head home, and that's all that's going on. Catch you guys up later. Okay, so I just bought some ink and, what's it called? Envelopes. I just bought some ink and envelopes, and I'm gonna go home here pretty soon and fill out the rest of that letter and then print them off. Earlier today, I did finish up figuring out my spreadsheet and figuring out mail merge and all that stuff figured out. So they automatically go ahead and put that data in for me, so I don't have to type it manually every single time. So I'm gonna go home here real soon, print it off, and go ahead, and I think I'm gonna have Allie for me write those letters, just because my handwriting is not the best. That way it's eligible and all that. So other than that, I will catch you guys up a little bit later. I want to make the data sheet today, and I want to make the Flip It Friday today as well. That way I don't have to worry about it over the weekend, because on Thursday I do work at my part-time job. I am working on quitting that job, so hopefully that all works out, and no big deal. So I'll catch you guys up whenever I get back home and I start working on that. But yeah, other than that, I'll catch you guys up later. So I'm meeting with Mike. I need to go buy ink and stuff. I forgot to do that yesterday, so I can print off all my wholesaling letters. And then I do my DoorDash challenge, so I'm gonna go do that too. And I no longer work today, so that's all that's going on. My charging cable was accidentally left in a peanut butter and milkshake overnight because I forgot to take that out of my car. So I also need to go buy a new charger. So that's what's going on today. I'll catch you guys up here and there, and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so I just got the stamps, and they were $58 for a roll of stamps. So it's and I think it's a little ridiculous, a little expensive, but yeah, other than that, I have a meeting with Mike today, and I'm gonna go do that real quick. And then after, I might go back and do door dashing or something, not too sure. So I'll catch you guys up later when I have more of a plan, or that might be the whole day actually. I'm not too sure because I got this meeting, and then I no longer work tonight, so I'm gonna go do DoorDash for dinner session. That way I can make some money, but no big deal. About to go do this meeting real quick and then continue working. And then when I get home, I gotta make some videos and stuff anyway, so I'm gonna be pretty busy all night. So I will catch you guys up after the meeting and let you know how it goes. All right, just got out of the meeting with my little papers, and that's it. Boom, 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 boom. So now I'm gonna go DoorDash. It's DoorDash time. It's like 5, so perfect timing. Gonna run over to Chanhassen real quick. It's about 20 minutes away, and I might go to Wayzata. I'm pretty far north, so that's where I'm going. And again, if you guys want to see, I say this like every day because that's what I'm doing this week, is a 7 days DoorDash challenge. So be excited for that video, be on the lookout. And then later today, I'm gonna be printing off all of those wholesaling letters, get that going. Other than that, I will catch you guys up later on. Okay, so it is Friday night again. I cannot believe how fast this week went by. I don't know if I'm ever gonna get these Weird Rich videos out, but they will get out eventually, I promise. But yeah, no DoorDash or anything today. Just today, I printed off the letters and went back to bed. So the washer and dryer guy came over. He finally fixed the washer. So now we're back to square one, where we have a working washer and a broken dryer. That was a whole mess. Anyway, so going to work today, tomorrow, wake up. Hopefully we can get those letters made so I can mail them out on Monday or Sunday or something. And then, yeah, back to work Saturday night, and then it starts all over Sunday. And yeah, so nothing too terribly exciting going on. I have a wholesaling event and the main meeting event going on next week. But other than that, I will catch you guys up after work. And yeah, I think that's it. So I'll see you then. Okay, so it is Saturday morning. Today is, what's it called? So I need to, after we get home, make sure I get those wholesale letters done and make sure I edit together some Weird Riches, because I am way behind on that. I've been so busy, not been a super big priority. I'm super tired. My feet hurt real bad. I just ate some gross frozen gas station food. My stomach's upset now. Okay, so I am about to go into work now. Yeah, at work. I am sorry to quit this stupid job. I'm over it. I am working, I'm again on my $100,000 to $13,000 challenge. I'm giving myself till the end of November, which is 58 days from today. So hopefully I'm able to, right now I'm at, well, I won't say. You'll have to see, you'll have to pay attention to the videos, but we'll say I'm not really that close, but I'm working on it. So if you guys are enjoying the Weird Riches, I didn't get any done, but hopefully I can get some done tomorrow, because I should have a little bit of time after I wake up. I don't think I have anything else going on. So hopefully I can have time to get to that. If not, if so, let's go. So I'm about to go into work. I have to pee super bad, but that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this Weird Rich, make sure to smash like, hit subscribe, comment down below. We love Weird Rich, even when it's a month late. So I'm just super busy right now, guys. I'm doing my best to keep up, and this stupid job is not helping me because my sleep schedule, guaranteed Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, maybe, that's 50-50. I am never able to sleep before 4 a.m. I'll be up, I'll be laying in bed. I've tried everything, I've sleepy time tea, whatever. I just can't do it. I'm awake because I'm used to being awake for a few days straight. And then Wednesday night is 50-50, and then Thursday and Friday. And then, well, Thursday night, and then I'm sleeping like a normal person, waking up. I normally wake up kind of early anyway. I'm a morning-ish person. And, well, then I have to go back and stay up all night. So Friday nights suck always because I'm never used to it anymore. Saturday nights, I'm like, okay. And then Monday nights, I'm like, or Sunday nights, it's a horrible cycle. So trying to get out of this stupid job. I don't really need it anymore exactly, but I'm just kind of used to having that extra income to invest and stuff, because I am starting to build up my retirement fund a little bit, starting to buy some more stocks, finally getting back into the swing of things. Because back a few months ago, around May, I think, I basically ran out of money, and so I had a couple thousand stocks and crypto and crap, so I sold all that, and thankfully that saved my butt. So guys, invest, keep that money, just buy consistently, dollar cost average, you know how it is. Because when time comes to tough, when it's like, I don't know how I'm gonna pay my car payment, I don't know how I'm gonna eat tomorrow, because I literally have $20 in my account right now. Well, I had thousands of dollars in assets, and that supported me until I was able to start making income again. So I am getting back on track on that. I have a couple hundred in crypto. I have 180, something like that in stocks. Starting to slowly build that back up. But I've been using this income from my part-time job to do that. So I'm working on replacing that. Hopefully I'm able to replace it so I can start really investing and building myself back up, and then hopefully build up some capital to go do some real estate stuff. We have that wholesaling letters. They should be going out next week, so catch next week's video for that. So hopefully someone gives me a call and I can do a wholesale deal. Hopefully you can make like 5, 6, 10 grand, who knows. But that would seriously majorly change a lot for me. So anyway, that's what's going on. I will catch you guys up in the next episode. See you then.